Okay, another video, and here we go. So I bought the market structure trader on the MQL market, and so far I'm in a drawdown of $50. So the goal is to make 6%. And as soon as I do, I'll give you another update. But as of right now, we're bullish on the year US on the 4-hour. Should have a trade. We should have a reversal signal very soon. We're bullish on the odd U. Signal came in last week, and we've got 0.73 for take profit. We're bearish on the UJ, and we just exit out of UJ for a $12 profit. We're bullish on the RJ as well, but there's a pullback, so we are getting in somewhere around 79.5 and 79.6. And your JPI is bearish as well. The pullback just is about to close at 129, and we'll get back in at the 336.8 Fibonacci for around 128.9 and 128.3. Yeah. And all other pairs will be postponed for the next video. So thank you for watching. Come again.